joined the meeting. Good morning, children. So let us, children, let us solve worksheets of chapter 3. Practice book. Okay? Worksheets today. So let us solve worksheets one by one. Okay? Worksheet 1, start. Let us start solving worksheets with worksheet 1. Are you listening to me, children?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Read
open.
this sentences taken from the unit People at Work from my English reader,
Yes.
class 7.
Yeah.
Put it against sentences that contain one subject and one predicate. I don't want to make mistakes.
Yeah. Yes. Find out.
Sir, I is the subject
Yes. And don't
and rest is predicate.
want to make any mistake. Predicate part. So this is complete. This is a simple sentence. Take it. Sentence. This is a sentence. Okay?
Yes, sir.
It is so mark sentence. It is a sentence. Next one.
I have sold them all my life, but I still make mistakes.
Sir, here has two predicate and two subjects.
Yes, sir. Actually, this is divided by but.
What?
But is the coordinator. So
Yeah.
this is a
Sir,
compound
this is a
sentence.
compound sentence.
So mark compound sentence. Okay, first one is sentence, simple sentence, first one. Second one is compound sentence. Okay?
सर लेकिन सेकंड में एक ही फिर सब्जेक्ट तो एक ही है, बस उसको दो दो बार लिख दिया गया.
Repeat करो, repeat it.
Sir, I have sold them
I
all
have
my
sold
life,
them
but
all
I
my
still
life,
make
but I still make mistakes.
One student
दोनों
read.
सब्जेक्ट तो एक ही है.
Read one
So यहाँ पे
student.
तो
One student read it.
Sir, here are two sentences.
हाँ, so it and connector. What is
I
the
have sold all my life, but I still make mistakes.
सर लेकिन यहाँ पे आई तो वही है ना जो पहले वाले सेंटेंस.
हाँ तो कंपाउंड सेंटेंस हो गया ना. ओके
Yes, sir.
हाँ चलो.
सर पर सब्जेक्ट एक ही कहलाएगा ना सर.
हाँ
प्रेडिकेट दो हो गया.
वेल ऐसा भी होता है कि सेंटेंस सब्जेक्ट कॉमन होगा, दोनों में सब्जेक्ट कॉमन होगा, ठीक है, फिर भी वो
इसमें सब्जेक्ट कॉमन है.
या फिर भी वो कंपाउंड सेंटेंस ही होगा. आगे बढ़ो.
क्योंकि प्रेडिकेट दो है.
प्रेडिकेट्स दो हैं. हाँ आगे.
I have a few pieces of glass.
आई हैव
A few pieces of glass.
हाँ
Glass.
sentence. This is a sentence, simple sentence, one subject, one predicate, containing one subject and one predicate. Yes, I can see it. Yeah. Next.
I sold the ring for the right price. I sold the ring for the right price, and I made 2 pounds on the picture.
Yeah.
So this is a compound.
यहाँ पे compound sentence.
Yeah.
ये compound sentence है.
Exactly.
Perfect.
Exactly. It's a compound sentence. Next.
In the sentences given above, sentences 2 and 4 consists of 2 parts, and make complete sense are known as simple sentences. In the sentences given above, sentences 2 and 4 consist of two parts.
Yeah,
I have sold them at life. I still make mistakes.
yeah.
I sold the ring for the right price. I made £2 on the picture.
Hmm.
In sentence 2, parts are joined by the conjunction
Yes.
but.
मैम बट सर बट
But. Yeah.
उसे सेकंड में एंड
Second.
Second में and. Two parts are by the conjunction and.
हाँ.
Each of the clauses contains a subject and a predicate and makes complete sense. So it is
कंपाउंड सेंटेंस
compound sentence.
Yes. Yeah. Exercise 1 is over.
Yes, sir.
यस सर
Yes. Move
Then
to.
there is a zip-up. Then I can't ask the zip-up compound made up of page number 27. Two or more clauses which are independent order or rank and can stand on their own.
हाँ.
Sir, I have to ask a question.
What?
Sir, in page number 27, sir, in last line it is written that each of the clauses contains a subject and a predicate and
Yeah.
makes the complete sense. So it is a sir यहाँ पे simple sentences लिखेंगे ना.
अगर कनेक्टर है और उसमें दो क्लॉजेज हैं तो वो सेंटेंस नहीं होगा, वो तो कंपाउंड सेंटेंस होगा. लेकिन उसके अंदर जो है दो जो सेंटेंसेस हैं छोटे छोटे, वो क्लॉजेज हो जाएंगे.
Okay sir.
तो उसको देख लेना है, समझ लेना है. चलो, ओके, वेरी गुड. प्रोसीड टू वर्कशीट नंबर 2.
Worksheet 2.
Yeah.
Worksheet 1.
Worksheet 1 is
Read
done.
the sentences given
Worksheet
and
1
write
done.
S simple sentences and CS
Worksheet 2.
for
Now let
compound
us move to
sentences.
worksheet 2. Yes, read it.
A
Yeah.
compound sentence is made up of two or more clauses which are independent of each other.
Yeah.
They are of the same order or rank and can stand on their own.
Yes. Yeah, that is so.
Worksheet 2.
हाँ.
वर्क विथ योर पार्टनर रीड द
Work with your
sentences given
partner,
below
read
and
the
write S
sentences
for
given
simple
below
sentences
and write S
yes
for the simple
compound
sentences and CS for the compound sentences.
Okay, right. Start doing. Okay. Very.
It's
Question 1. It's getting late.
Gettingly.
So it
Very
is
simple
a
sentence.
simple sentence.
Yes, simple sentence.
From the math
Simple.
and coach was happy. So compound sentence.
Yeah.
Second, the students won the match and the coach was happy. Compound sentence.
Compound. Yeah.
Should I
This is a beautiful picture, sir. ये है simple
write a
sentence.
letter
Yes.
or should I make a phone call?
A compound sentence.
The compound sentence.
Yeah.
Sir, that is a beautiful picture.
That is
simple
a beautiful picture. The simple sentence.
Exactly.
My partner are away to Delhi, but
My parents are away to Delhi, but they will be back on Monday.
Yeah.
Sir,
Compound.
Compound sentence.
Exactly. CS.
Was nervous.
He was nervous, but he faced the audience.
CS.
There is a compound
CS.
sentence.
CS. You're exactly good. बच्चे आप लोग
Is
बहुत
it stolen or have you lost it? So it is also a compound sentence.
Right.
Compound sentence.
Yes.
The weather was warm, but it was rather humid.
Yeah.
So it is a compound sentence.
Compound sentence.
My computer is out of order. So it is simple sentence.
A simple sentence.
Simple sentence.
Yeah.
The girl was happy, but she missed her mother. So it is a compound
Yeah.
sentence.
Yeah.
Sir, here's a note for the teacher.
What?
Sir, here is a sir for the teacher. Explain to the students that when the subject of two clauses refer to the same person or thing, the second subject is normally omitted.
Yeah.
Sentence 5.
Means,
Ask them to point out other similar sentences in this exercise.
yeah, that is
Set this activity by asking them
common.
to write a few more sentences like these.
Common, that is common subject. Yeah, that's a common subject. Means,
Add last worksheet.
yeah. So, worksheet 2 is over.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All of you have completed. I want to ask all the students, because all the students should involve. Yes, good, very good. Okay, now in the same breath, let us proceed to the third worksheet. Okay, good. This one we have done. One we have done, two done. Now let us move to the third worksheet. Yeah.
Sir, page number.
It is page number. You point out what the page number is. Point out.
29.
Okay, 29. Okay. So read the question first.
Worst pairs about your past. Get you to answer a few questions in order to know more about your learning.
सर कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है सर, सब हल्ला कर रहा है।
एक मिनट
His team had a few questions.
एक मिनट
सर सब पढ़ रहा है।
Yes. Listen, my dear students. Dear students, listen. Take your turn to read the questions. You all are very good students, sensible students, so try to understand. 2 or 3 students when reading together, that makes no meaning. Okay, because that becomes noisy, so nobody can understand what is being read. Okay, or what is the content of the questions. Okay, so try to understand, dear children. One boy. So I am starting it with a boy. So one boy, take a chance and read it.
Work in pairs. Find out a few things about your partner.
What
Get him her to answer
If
a
a
few
pair
questions
find
in
out
order
a
to know
few
more
things
her.
about the
Few
partner,
questions
get
and
him
answers
her to
have been
answer
given as
few questions
examples.
in order to know.
Build up the rest yourself. Take turns to ask questions and ask your partner to write down the answers for each.
Yeah.
The conjunctions given in brackets to frame your answers. Use the same conjunctions for your own sentences also. You. What would you do if you found a lot of money in the park?
Yeah.
I would keep some and give the rest to the police.
Yeah.
You.
Yeah.
What do you like about your school? What do you dislike about it?
Yeah.
And sir, now the blank is giving. We have to fill it.
Yeah. Okay. So, what do you do with your old clothes? Question. Can it be a question, dear children? Question.
So the question is asked. The question is, what do you like about your school? What do you dislike about it?
Yeah. So answer is given.
No, sir. We have to answer.
So right.
Sir, we have to answer.
Yeah. So I like. What do you like about your school, and what do you dislike about your school? So mention one sentence. My
I like my teachers.
the teachers of my school.
Sir, I like my teachers, but I dislike bad habits.
Sir,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I dislike the law. I like my school because it is so big, but I dislike it because it has so many rulers.
Wait, don't use because. Don't use because.
Then
I-
we have to use but.
I dislike some, you can say some naughty students. Yeah, but I dislike some naughty students. Okay, this you can mention. So write it. I like my school building, but
I like the greenery of the school, but I dislike bad habits of students.
but I dislike the staircases which I have to climb up. जैसे देखो उसमें बहुत सीढ़ियाँ चढ़नी पड़ती है ना, 3 मंजिल जाना पड़ता है ना.
Yes.
तो उसको मेंशन कर दो. देख, आई डिसलाइक द स्टेयर केसेस विच आर वेरी हाई एंड विच आई हैव टू एंड आई डिसलाइक द हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग्स. राइट. I like my teachers, I like my school campus, I like my library, I like my classroom, but I dislike the height of my school building.
सर ऐसे भी ना लिख सकते सर. I like my teachers but I don't dislike anything.
That can also be written, but no one dislike, mention one dislike also.
सर मेरा तो कोई डिसलाइक ही नहीं है.
देखो, अरे भाई, स्कूल की सीढ़ियाँ लिख दो ना, बहुत सारी सीढ़ी चढ़नी पड़ती है, तो लिख दो आई हैव टू क्लाइंब अप सो मेनी स्टेयर्स, सो मेनी स्टेप्स, लिख दो.
सर उसे तो हमारी एक्सरसाइज हो जाती है.
अरे वो देखो, वो प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है बेटे. सुनो, वो प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है. एक एग्जाम्पल दे दो, दैट्स ऑल. एग्जाम्पल देना है, ठीक है. वो सच थोड़े ही. वो एग्जाम्पल दे दो. वो मत देखो कि वो कितना वो है, बस एक एग्जाम्पल तुम मेंशन कर लो. चलो.
Another question. What will you do if you win a cash prize worth ₹1 lakh?
Yeah, what will you do? I will
donate it to a trust or distribute among beggars of the town.
not beggars. Listen, begging is illegal. Begging is not a good practice for a country. Begging को discourage करो, उसमें दे दो, poor को दे दो, poor.
Sir, can I answer?
Yeah.
I will use some money for my family and the rest of the money to an orphanage.
Orphanage. Yes, orphanage, old house. Yeah. Charity.
And the rest I will pay it to charity work.
Charity organization.
Sir, I will deposit the money in a bank or in a
Exactly. All your sentences are correct, so write them down. Write them down. Next, children.
So just a second, and now we have to write the question.
Yeah, right.
Just a second. What will you do? What will you do to score high in math?
What will you do? क्या है बच्चे, फिर से रिपीट करो.
Sir, What will you do to score high in math?
एक
Then another
थोड़ा सा
question we
What will you
will ask that
क्या एक
What will you do to score high in math?
your friend get a golden chance to be the chief minister, what will you do?
yeah what will you do if you get a golden chance to become the chief minister, to become chief minister?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right.
Sir, what will you do to score high in math?
क्या है बेटे, इसको थोड़ा सा क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है, लास्ट वर्ड्स मैं नहीं समझ पा रहा हूँ. व्हाट
Sir,
एक
he is saying,
हाँ.
what will you do to score high in math?
Oh, to score high in maths.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so right.
Sir, what will you do to be the topper?
Yeah, so
Sir, can we?
I will, yes, anyone try?
I will work hard or hire a tutor.
Yes, I will work
Sir,
hard.
practice.
I will work hard or you know, I will.
Hire a tutor. Sir, we can use here and.
सर हम लोग ये लिख सकते हैं कि आई कैन वर्क हार्ड और वी कैन चीट.
और we can
ये दो ऑप्शन.
Sir,
सर चीट.
cheat. I will listen. I will attend my maths class or study. Study, you know, study very hard. I will listen to my teacher. I will attend to my maths class or I will study seriously for longer hours.
सर यहाँ पे से कोऑर्डिनेटर एंड यूज करेंगे. आई विल लिसन टू माय टीचर एंड आई विल वर्क हार्ड.
या और लगाना है.
सर यहाँ पे हम लोग को खुद से क्वेश्चन बनाना है और आंसर भी खुद से लिखना है.
हाँ तो कर दो. यस, आपका आंसर सही है. Yes.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन हम बोल रहे थे. व्हाट विल आई विल वर्क हार्ड एंड अटेंड माय क्लासेस.
या मैथ्स क्लासेस. I will.
Last question. Sir, what will you do? Sir, बोल रहे थे, what will you do in the winter break? I will practice singing and play cricket. तो ये हो सकता है.
Yeah, winter break. Yes. Or I will learn swimming. I will learn music. I will go.
What will you do if you get your summer break?
Summer break. Yes. I will visit.
Sir, where
I will visit.
will you visit in your summer break?
Yeah, I will visit Rajasthan. I will visit no Shimla, summer break, Shimla or
Yes.
or go to
Sir, Simla or Himachal Pradesh.
or yes, Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh. Yes, but शिमला तो वहीं है बेटा ना. शिमला हिमाचल प्रदेश
Yes,
की.
sir. Sorry, by mistake. Sir,
हाँ.
hill stations or I will visit Jammu and
हम लोग
Kashmir.
लिख सकते हैं.
हाँ
कोऑर्डिनेटर if
Sir, I will visit Jammu and Kashmir.
summer camp with my friends
And
if
Shimla.
my parents allow.
या बहुत ऑप्शंस हैं, वो लेके लिख दीजिए. यस. आई विल गो टू ए समर कैंप और विजिट अ हिल स्टेशन. ये भी हो जाएगा. ठीक है. आई विल ज्वाइन द समर कैंप समर कैंप और टूर और ट्रैवल टू अ हिल स्टेशन.
Sir, I will visit my village.
Yes.
Want to drive a car or have food.
Read loudly. A bit. Read loudly. Allow me to listen to you.
Sir, अब मैं वर्कशीट 2 का क्वेश्चन करूँगा.
आया. ये वर्कशीट 3 कंप्लीट हो गया.
No, sir. One question left.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
one question I left.
Yeah. Do it. Complete it.
So
What is the last question?
Sir, what will you choose in your friend and in your parent?
Yes. Mention anyone. Answer. Yes. Respond to it.
Sir, I
choose my
cannot
parents.
I cannot choose anyone. I cannot choose anyone from these two options, but if I am forced, I will choose my parents.
Yes.
Sir, I will choose my parents.
Yes. Yeah.
वर्कशीट 4 क्वेश्चन पर है.
वर्कशीट 3 डन.
सर हम लोग 2 कोऑर्डिनेटर एक जगह यूज कर सकते सर ऐसे, बट इफ
नो बेटे. वो
वर्कशीट 3 कंप्लीटेड.
चूंकि जो कोऑर्डिनेटर्स होते हैं वो कंपाउंड के अलग होते हैं और कॉम्प्लेक्स के अलग होते हैं. तो जब आप वो करेंगे तो वो हो सकता है, वो हो जाएगा. दो हो सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर आप कंपाउंड हैं, अगर आप कंपाउंड को कर रहे हैं तो कंपाउंड वाला कोऑर्डिनेटर्स यूज होंगे. उसमें सबऑर्डिनेटर्स को अवॉइड करो, मत करो, क्योंकि सबऑर्डिनेटर्स को हम लोग कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में यूज करते हैं. ठीक है.
Sir, we can sir, in the exam we can write what are your favorite subjects,
या
and in the answer we will write my favorite subjects are maths and science,
Right.
and etc.
Yes. What is you are doing worksheet 4?
No, sir, worksheet 3 last.
Question. Yeah. Do it. What is the question? Last question. Read it.
सर
Repeat.
तो एक ही जगह पे हम लोग बट और इफ नहीं लिख सकते हैं.
नो बेटे, एक ही सेंटेंस बनाइए ना. कोऑर्डिनेटर के साथ बना दीजिए, क्योंकि अभी आप कंपाउंड सेंटेंस कर रहे हैं. जब आप कॉम्प्लेक्स करेंगे तो उसमें आप सबऑर्डिनेटर्स का यूज करेंगे. क्योंकि अभी तो हम कंपाउंड सेंटेंस को कर रहे हैं, तो उसमें आप कोशिश करें कि उसमें कोऑर्डिनेटर्स वाले ही सेंटेंस बने, कंपाउंड सेंटेंस बने कोऑर्डिनेटर के साथ, जो लिंक करे
सर
दोनों को.
बिकॉज को कोऑर्डिनेटर मान सकते हैं सर. बिकॉज को
किसको? बिकॉज सबऑर्डिनेटर है, क्योंकि वो कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में लगता है, इसलिए बिकॉज को छोड़ दो.
Sir, we have to make questions in last. So I have made the question, what are your favorite subjects? And I have written the answer. My favorite subjects are maths and science. And here the coordinator is and.
नो
इसमें तो कोई सर
ये नहीं हुआ.
वो है ही नहीं सर, सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट दूसरा.
नहीं, ये नहीं हुआ. ये तो सिंपल ही सेंटेंस हो गया. My favorite subjects are maths and science, but I also by all, but
I
I
also like English.
English and social sciences. Yes, yeah, this one is correct. Done.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So good. Let us move to worksheet 4. So this time, one girl, read the question loudly.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Worksheet 4.
Get into groups of 3 in the boxes given below. Write the names of at least 3 professionals. Write down things they have to do if they want to be successful in their field. Use and, but, or, and, or.
Yeah. कर लीजिए
One
कोई
has been done for you as
हाँ.
an example.
हाँ. Example. Read. हाँ.
Example, an athlete.
Yes.
He can win races, but he has to practice hard.
Yeah.
He must eat well and get proper sleep. He
Yes.
can join a gym to keep fit or exercise on the field of his own.
Yeah.
उसके बाद हम लोग ए स्टूडेंट लिख सकते हैं.
आप किसको चूज कर रहे हैं? कौन प्रोफेशनल को? आप ले लीजिए.
ए स्टूडेंट.
नहीं, स्टूडेंट प्रोफेशनल नहीं हुआ बेटा. स्टूडेंट प्रोफेशनल वो हुआ बेटा जो अर्निंग करता है अपने प्रोफेशन के.
टीचर.
वो टीचर होंगे, वो डॉक्टर होंगे, वो इंजीनियर होंगे,
टीचर और आर्टिस्ट.
वो आर्टिस्ट होंगे, पैसे कमाते हैं अपने आर्ट से. वो सिंगर होंगे, वो टेक्नोक्रेट होंगे, वो राइटर होंगे. राइटर.
तो सेकंड में हम लोग टीचर लिख देते हैं.
लिख दो. ओके. टीचर.
टेक्नोक्रेट का मतलब?
टेक्नोक्रेट कहते हैं जो बड़े बड़े टेक्नीशियन होते हैं, जैसे एरोप्लेन को, बड़े बड़े कंप्यूटर को, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स को रिपेयर करते हैं, मेंड करते हैं, बनाते हैं. सो दे आर टेक्नोक्रेट्स. टेक्निकली दे आर वेरी ट्रेंड, यू नो. मीन्स
व्हेन होता है सर, व्हेन कोऑर्डिनेटर.
यस सर.
हाँ, व्हेन बेटा सबऑर्डिनेटर होगा. व्हेन सबऑर्डिनेटर हो जाएगा, कोऑर्डिनेटर नहीं होगा. कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में वो यूज होगा. या
सर टेक्नोक्रेट का मीनिंग आप क्या बोले?
देखो, टेक्नोक्रेट को बोला जाता है जो बड़े बड़े टेक्नोलॉजिकल डिवाइसेस, जो गैजेट्स होते हैं ना, बड़े बड़े मशीन्स, गैजेट्स और वो डिवाइसेस, उनको या तो वो रिपेयर करते हैं या उनको वो मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं, बिल्ड करते हैं, उनको असेंबल करते हैं. जैसे कोई मान लो जैमर बना रहे हैं, कोई लैपटॉप को असेंबल कर रहे हैं, बना रहे हैं या रिपेयर कर रहे हैं. दे आर टेक्नोक्रेट.